This courtroom case will leave you speechless. A mechanic, a meth charge, a mother in court, and a judge with zero patience for lies. Robert Pettis walks in late, mumbles excuses, and enters a plea. Deal so far, nothing unusual. But just when you think the case is wrapping up smoothly, a surprise drug test changes everything. Suddenly, the entire courtroom spirals into an emotional tug-of-war between truth and denial, redemption and consequences. The judge pulls no punches. The defense scrambles to save face, and Robert Hayes is caught between shame and survival. Stay locked in, because what happens next is a masterclass in courtroom accountability, raw emotion, and second chances on the edge of collapse.
Robert Pettis.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Why were you late?
I was having car trouble and my alarm didn't work. Sorry.
Can't be late. You understand?
Sorry, but apologize.
All right. The court is calling 2023 CR 3275, State of Texas versus Robert Pettis. Now parties announced for the record for the state.
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
George John Bart.
Are you Mr. Pettis?
Which one?
Counsel, you received.
This is one of the most crucial points in any courtroom, CASA, formal entry of a plea and the waiver of rights. Notice how the judge methodically ensures that Robert understands he's giving up the right to a jury trial, the right to remain silent, and the right to confront witnesses. This isn't just legal jargon, these are constitutional protections. And once waived, there's no going back. So when Robert pleads no contest, he's essentially saying, I won't fight the charge, but I won't admit guilt either. It's a strategic move, often used to avoid civil liability while still taking a criminal deal. Would you be comfortable giving up that many rights in one sitting?
Received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. We're proceeding on count one alone, waiving count two and its enhancements.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're being charged in count one with tampering with evidence with intent to impair as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
And this is the moment that shifts everything. Just as Robert seems to be headed toward probation, the drug test results come back positive for meth. Watch how quickly the judge's tone changes. Now the court isn't just dealing with a technical offense, it's dealing with deception. Robert initially denies it, blames exposure, even plays the confusion card. But the judge isn't buying it. This isn't a rookie courtroom. The judge has seen this game before, and now she's got to decide. Is Robert being honest or just trying to skate through probation without addressing his addiction? What do you think? Is he lying or just scared?
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he was.
Mr. Pettis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. There's no application for deferred adjudication, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State.
That is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours community service restitution. Did you understand that was a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with office attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
State, you may be excused. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we are back on the record in 2023 CR 3275, State of Texas versus Robert Pettis.
This is the kind of courtroom moment that should be shown in schools. The judge strips away the legalese and speaks from the heart. I take no joy in sending people to prison, but I will if you violate probation. She doesn't want to punish, she wants to help, but that help has to be earned through honesty. Her frustration is real. Robert's half-truths and vague excuses are wasting everyone's time, including the courts. She needs to know if he needs treatment, not more chances. To lie, it's a harsh but necessary stance. Do you think tough love like this works, or does it push people further away?
All right, Mr. Pettis, you took a UA. What do you think the results were?
Negative.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that it came back positive for methamphetamine. And I've spoken to my client. He is adamant that he has not used any narcotics. I even admonished.
Let me do this. You gave up your right to remain silent. You're under oath. Why do I have a positive UA for meth? And let's do this. We're going to start over as though this is my first time talking to you, okay? So, why would you be positive for any drug? Think back in your mind. Were you around somebody? Did you use something?
Maybe I was around somebody and
All right.
touched it.
So
I don't know.
so you were around somebody and maybe you touched it?
I don't know how it works, man. But
All right, everyone needs to whisper. And I'm sorry, sir, you need to speak up. I'm having trouble hearing you. The court reporter is.
okay.
So how would you end up testing positive? And state, I believe this is your case still. So other than touching meth, how might you have rendered a positive UA for the court?
That's the only way I know how I got it, because I have a lot of family members that, I don't know how I would.
When's the last time you used?
The day that I got arrested.
And what's your drug of choice?
I don't have a drug of choice.
Here's the thing.
Finally, Robert starts cracking. After minutes of evasion, he admits he's been using meth weekly. You can feel the shift. He's not proud, he's not angry, he's just ... broken. The judge keeps digging, not to shame him, but to get to the root of the problem. And when she learns he's a mechanic, she drops a chilling line. No one wants you fixing their brakes if you're high. That's not just accountability, it's about protecting society. But underneath it all, you can sense what this really is, a plea for change. Can someone like Robert actually turn things around, or is this just another performance?
You are agreeing to be on probation. When I ask these questions, I'm asking these questions so I can figure out what conditions you need so you can be successful. I have sent people to prison before. Probation will tell you that. Your attorney will tell you that. The deputies will tell you that. And I always try to give people the tools they need to be successful so I don't have to send them to prison. I take no joy in sending people to prison, but I will send you to prison potentially if you violate probation. You understand?
Yes.
So I'm trying to figure out what conditions you need so you can be successful. Now, if you want to stand before me and pretend that you're positive for meth because you previously touched meth from somewhere else, then what you're telling me is you don't need any drug treatment. And if you're telling me you don't need any drug treatment, I had better not get a motion to revoke because you're testing positive. And I can tell you right now, I'm going to put you on the UA hotline. So again, we're back to why are you rendering a positive UA to me for meth? And you need to be honest. And if you're saying, hey, I haven't used drugs since this day, then I will send you off into this world with no drug treatment because obviously you don't need any. You have made your program and your program has been successful. You know why you're positive for meth. I was not with you. Your attorney was not with you. So if you want to continue with, I don't know how I got positive for meth and maybe I touched meth and tell me you don't need any drug treatment, I will not give you any. You will be on the UA hotline. And what I can tell you on the UA hotline, it's random and you test weekly.
All right, Mama. I don't want to disrespect you or nothing, but I might have like 3 days, 4 days ago, maybe.
All right. So why are you being dishonest with me? Why do I have to pull teeth for you to tell me what your issues are so I can give you conditions so that you can be successful? Obviously, the state wants you to have probation. They offered it. Okay. You accepted it. I want you to be successful at probation because otherwise you're just wasting everybody's time. And I could just say, oh, let's just send you to prison for 5 years. Is that what you want?
I do not want that. Yeah.
So let's pretend like this is the first time I'm speaking to you. Okay. When have you been using meth and how often?
I mean, it's a recreational thing, I guess. I mean, I was just,
I don't know.
Your attorney was not with you.
Here comes the sentence, and it's layered with both punishment and hope. Robert is sentenced to 5 years in prison, suspended and replaced with 5 years probation. But the judge doesn't stop there. Parenting classes, drug treatment, random drug tests, no unsupervised contact with minors, proof of employment, and no shortcut out of community service. The court is essentially building a structure around Robert so he can't fall without warning. It's strict, but it's designed for growth. What do you think? Is this level of supervision empowering or overwhelming?
So he doesn't know how often you use drugs.
If it says positive, I guess, yeah, I'm positive. But
no,
and Your Honor, if I may, I've admonished him that if he was honest about any usage, that he can go ahead and tell it without repercussions of fear of additional charges or anything like that. And this is mainly just to determine treatment programs, if any, are necessary, and that he doesn't have to be concerned about being forthcoming and honest at this point in time, because it's not like he's going to be looking at facing additional charges.
Yeah. So what's your drug of choice and how often are you using?
Every weekend, I guess I would say.
Well, I mean, let's not guess. You know how often you're using drugs. And here's the thing. It is 12:46 p.m. Everybody in here wants to have lunch. Okay. Some of us, like myself, I haven't even had breakfast. So let's not have me continue to pull teeth from you. Just be 100% honest. You're old enough. You're not a child. So just be honest with me. How often are you using meth?
Like once a week now.
When's the last time you used?
Like 4 days ago. Or
don't tell me 4 days ago, because it wouldn't still be in your system. Was it Monday, Today is Monday. Did you use today?
No, ma'am.
Did you use yesterday?
No, ma'am. The day before.
All right, so you used on Saturday.
Yeah.
And were you taking care of your children on Saturday?
No, ma'am.
All right. So this is what the court is going to, I'm sorry, are you employed? What do you do?
I'm a mechanic, ma'am.
No one wants you fixing their brakes if you're high. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. There's to be gang supervision, $2,000 fine, probated, TAP evaluation.
And just when you think Robert might be getting it together, he violates probation. He forgot to call the drug line. His excuse, depression over missing his daughters. It's a heartbreaking moment. He owns up, no bluster, no lies, just a man. In pain, the judge doesn't excuse it, but she listens. Instead of revoking probation, she orders ISAFON, intensive program meant to restructure behavior. This is the justice system at its most human, a reminder that accountability and compassion can coexist. But here's the big question. How many chances should one person get?
Follow the recommendations of TAP. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. We're going to do parenting classes. And probation, it can either be compadre, triple P, or rainbows. And once he completes parenting classes, the court will deem 150 hours of community service restitution satisfied. I'm going to want the UA hotline until further notice. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors until further notice. Field visits one time every 3 months until further notice. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Just 1 second. Did I say regular reporting?
You did not.
All right, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Okay. Is there anything else, probation?
You want to do a felony drug court referral?
Yes, we can do felony drug court referral, but the issue may be the gang membership. So it's the Lost Boys or something. What is it called? It's in the police report.
Yes, ma'am. LA boys. But
Yeah, LA Boys.
But that's when I was a kid.
All right, well, we can see.
That was when I was a kid, man.
All right, what does LA stand for? Is that supposed to be Los Angeles?
Lanier Athletics.
Oh, Lanier Athletics. Okay. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am. I'm sorry for wasting people's time.
No, it's just, I like for people to be honest with me, especially when everybody's trying to help you be a good father to your children and be a good citizen, okay? All right, I'm showing you that's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You're gonna have to do better.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
children,
I will.
okay?
I will, ma'am.
All right, and if there's an issue in this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. So if there's an issue, discuss it with probation. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come into court.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Okay. Thank you.
You
Your Honor, I just had a quick question, just a general question. I didn't recall if you allow buying out of community service hours or not.
No, not in every case. In this case, I'm not going to allow him to buy out.
Okay.
He needs to stay busy.
Yeah, because we were discussing it, and I wasn't sure if I had the correct answer because I said I thought that sometimes you allow for a food bank there or Carver
Yes.
Center.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
All right. But I will tell you, I'm saying no now to him. But if you want to come back at a different time when he's been on probation for a while, then the court will consider it.
Yes, Your Honor. And I keep in touch with him, and then if there's other amendments or things, we'll try to approach the court before it comes to problem.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Morning, Judge.
All right. And his mom was here in court, but she was talking to him in the box. But both parties, I do have an email from her.
Okay, no objection.
Okay. All right. We're going to go on the record. Court is calling 2023 CR 3275, State of Texas versus Robert Perez. Can I have parties announced for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Victor Gomez for Mr. Pettis.
And are you Mr. Perez?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Robert Perez who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 3275 for the offense of tampering with evidence on July 17, 2023 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 41, on or about the 19th day of December 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Roger Defendant, did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court by failing to call the urinalysis line in violation of condition number 40.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Say.
Your Honor, we waive the other violations alleged in the motion.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation? Excuse me, if you all cannot talk so close to the court reporter, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 5 years in prison and up to a $2,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 41?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you deny the motion and continue the defendant on probation. And we're asking that he attends the state ISF cognitive track, followed by ISP supervision, which is the probation recommendation.
All right, and probation, that's what you're asking for? All right, Mr. Pettis, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
In the end, this case wasn't just about meth or missing phone calls, it was about redemption on the edge. Robert Pettis was given probation, lied about drug use, failed to follow the rules, and nearly lost it all. But instead of locking him up, the court doubled down on its belief that he can change with strict conditions and a final warning. This courtroom didn't just deliver a sentence, it delivered a lifeline. And whether Robert grabs it or not, that's still up to him. If you found this case as shocking, raw, and real as we did, hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Every case has a story and we're here to tell them all.